Today's cryptic crossword clue is 6 minus 10 sounds like any mathematical function. And I think this is hard. And especially if you're fairly new to cryptic crossword clues, I think this might be a real stretch for you because it does employ quite a few techniques that you need to be familiar with. But let's work through it together. I think the easiest part of the clue is working out what the definition's going to be, because the first half of the clue, it's going to be very hard for anything there to be the definition. 6, 6 minus, 6 minus 10. It's hard to think of words that could replace any of those combinations. And also they do look kind of like wordplay. You've got minus, which is probably removal indicator, and numbers can often be replaced by letters in Roman numerals and things like that, so it feels pretty ripe for wordplay. And mathematical function, on the other end, doesn't look like a lot of wordplay. Even if the definition was just function, then you've got to work out what to do with mathematical, and there's no words around mathematical that really tell you how to manipulate it or replace it. And so it probably is part of the definition. We are looking for a mathematical function, and if you're not a maths person and you notice this, you've gotten to this point, I would recommend that you Google mathematical functions rather than just trying to see if one comes to mind. Google them, you'll get a list, and that will probably help you with this one. And then if we move back, we've got this interesting bit in the middle, which is definitely wordplay, which is sounds like any. And here sounds like is a homophone indicator. And any actually sounds like two letters, doesn't it? It sounds like N-E, and that will go at the end of our answer. So now we're looking for a mathematical function that ends with N-E and is 4 letters long. And you might be able to find the word sign. And then we've just got to go, can we justify it? Can we validate it from 6 minus 10 to get SI? Well, 6 is almost SI, as SIX, and 10 can be replaced by the Roman numeral X. And so if we take 6, we remove the X, we get SI plus NE for something that sounds like any, giving us sign, a mathematical function.